လာပါချမ်းမြေ့ပါစေရှင်ကျမတို့တယောက်ယောက်ကိုတောင်းပန်ရမည့်အခြေအနေသို့မဟုတ်အမှားတစ်ရက်ကိုလုံးမိသည့်အခါမျိုးတို့တွင်အခြေအနေအလိုက်ပြောဆိုတာမို့ယဉ်ကျေးတဲ့တောင်းပန်စကားပြောဆိုပုံများကိုကျမတို့စုစည်းဖော်ပြပေးလိုက်ပါတယ်
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Don't take offense.
Don't take offense.
Don't get offended.
Don't get offended.
I'm sorry if I've offended you.
I'm sorry if I've offended you.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Oh, no, my fault entirely.
Oh, no, my fault entirely.
I must apologize.
I must apologize.
Sorry to trouble you.
Sorry to trouble you.
Sorry to have kept you waiting.
Sorry to have kept you waiting.
Sorry to interrupt but.
Sorry to interrupt but.
I hope you'll forgive me.
I hope you'll forgive me.
It was most thoughtless of me.
It was most thoughtless of me.
It was really quite unintentional.
It was really quite unintentional.
I'm afraid you must have thought me very rude.
I'm afraid you must have thought me very rude.
I really didn't mean that at all.
I really didn't mean that at all.
ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်နောက်ဗီဒီယိုမှာပြန်လည်ဆုံတွေ့ကြရအောင်ရှင်